Hello everyone and welcome to another AutoCAD video. Today we're going to be looking at batch publishing options available to us, and more specifically the ability to create sheet sets. So if you've got a document open and want to be able to print off multiple drawing sheets, whether from this current document or any others, we've got the ability to do so within AutoCAD. To get to this, we can go into the application menu up in the top left, select the print dropout and go into batch plot. This will then go and list all of the available sheets within our current document. But from this list, we've also got the ability to come in and add any other sheets that we might require from any other drawings. So we have the ability to go in and add sheets to this list, where we can go and choose any other drawing that we might want to. So in this case, I might go and grab the site plan and select it from within here, and that adds all of the other sheets or layouts that exist within the other document. We can then begin to manage how these are all compiled, so whether we want to include the model spaces for either of these or exclude them. We can remove individual sheets from within here as well, and reorder them, whether we want to move them further up or further down in the list itself. We can also establish at this point how we want to print these off, whether we want to use a separate page setup for each of them individually, or whether we want to use the default one that is sat within the drawing sheet itself, within the settings of the drawing sheet. We can then also create these as sheet lists, so this will allow us to reuse this information multiple times if we do want to at any point in time print off an updated version of this. Rather than having to go and collate all of this once more, we've got the ability to either go and grab the information from a saved sheet list, or we can save this current configuration into a sheet list. So this way we can then very quickly grab all of the information, grab all the drawing sheets that we require, and be able to push these out. Once this has all been configured, we can then publish. We can decide whether we want to publish this all to PDF, to a DWF or DWFX, as well as being able to plot all the way down to the plotter that's named in each of the individual layout setup sheets. How we publish this then also is determined by the publish options, whether we want to publish them all within a single document or if we want to have them all in different individual sheets within separate files. But once we're happy with all of this configuration, we can then simply hit publish, and AutoCAD will go ahead and publish all of the information that's required within each of these in their respective documentation. And that's all I wanted to show for today. If you have any questions regarding any of this, or would like to get in contact with any other issues or questions that you might have within AutoCAD, feel free to get in contact with us. Otherwise, bye for now.